maximize light and blur that line. For me, okay, let's unpack this. When you look at, high-end contemporary architecture,
Yeah.
what's the first thing that really grabs you? For me, it's always the glass, these huge, just seemingly unsupported walls of glass that are designed to maximize light and blur that line between the inside and the out. We're talking about getting that perfect uninterrupted view, right? Where a home just opens completely to its environment. But that feeling, that sense of effortless luxury, is ironically the result of some incredibly heavy-duty engineering.
That's absolutely right. The aesthetic of minimalism is really built on a foundation of, well, maximal strength. Our deep dive today is focused entirely on those hidden mechanics. We're getting into the technical specs of insulated aluminum sliding door systems, specifically looking at the SF60 and the ultra-high-performance SF80 models. And the mission is pretty simple. We want to see exactly what design details, what engineering certifications are needed to deliver a luxury glass wall that can also handle a hurricane.
And when we say handle massive glass, we should probably start with the sheer structural capacity. These systems, both the SF60 and the SF80, they're insulated aluminum systems. They're designed to be flexible, so sliding left or right, 2-track or 3-track configurations. But here's the detail, the technical detail that really sets the stage. It's the maximum casement weight these profiles can support.
Right, and casement weight, just for clarity, that's the weight of the moving panel itself, with the glass in it. And that figure, it's the thing that underpins the entire structural capability of these doors. It's a staggering 800 kilograms.
800 kilograms. That's the weight of a smart car.
Uh-huh.
Or like 5 average refrigerators, all just hanging in one frame, ready to be rolled open. That one number tells you everything you need to know about the scale of the glass panels we're actually talking about.
Precisely. That 800 kilogram capacity is the foundational requirement. It's what allows architects to specify these incredibly large single panes, and it lets them use the wide range of glazing thickness these systems can take, so anything from a slender 32 millimeters up to a really robust 54 millimeters. That depth is what allows for the heavy, multi-layered glazing that's just essential for thermal and acoustic insulation in these kinds of high-end projects.
But here's the paradox, right? Something that heavy shouldn't feel heavy. You don't want to have to muscle an 800 kilogram door open every morning. So how is that massive load translated into what feels like an effortless glide?
Well, that magic happens in the mechanics, really, right underneath the glass. The smooth operation relies entirely on these high-precision, ball-bearing stainless steel rollers, and they run on matching stainless steel rails. These components are designed not just for the load-bearing, but for distributing that weight evenly and really minimizing friction. It's the difference between dragging something massive and letting it float on, well, industrial-grade bearings.
Which sounds like a system designed for minimal maintenance over the long term. And that's exactly what a client at this level would expect.
It is.